Okay, so question B is saying the frequency table shows the marks obtained by grade 8 learners. Calculate the mean. So the mean is the average, right?
Yes.
And here you can see that it's grouped data. So how would I find the mean?
Uh,
So any ideas here?
Oh, okay. First we're going to have to add the marks and the frequency.
Okay,
Yes.
so the mean has a formula. So it's
Mm-hmm.
summation of frequency times x over summation of total frequency. And you can see here, this is grouped data.
Mm-hmm.
It's grouped data, meaning we need to know the interval, like what's in between here for grouped data. So you get the same table and you say max. So this is 40 to 44. This is 45 to 49. It's an interval. This is 50 to 54. And the final interval is 55 to 59. So you have to know the middle value, x. How do you get the middle value? You add, so 40 plus 44, 40 plus 44, you are going to get 84. Then you divide it by
Mm-hmm.
2. That would be 442. So you're going to get 42 here.
Mm-hmm.
So you do the same for all of these. You get the value that's in the middle. 45 plus 49, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, you carry 154. Then you divide by 2. That would be 47. So you first establish the middle value. So even here, you say 50 plus 54, then you divide by 2, you're going to get 52.
Mm-hmm.
Then here you're going to get 57. So at least we now know the interval of values. So you add them, you divide by 2, you add them, you divide by 2. Then the formula is telling us, and we now have frequency as well. So frequency, they are going by 3, 10, 3, and 4. If you look at this formula here, it wants us to know summation of frequency. So we have to get the total frequency here. So to get the total frequency, we have to add everything together. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 10, 20. So here we are sorted. The next thing that we have to do is this part here, frequency times x. So we'll make another table we'll call frequency times x. We found the x, so we're multiplying this part and this part. So this would be 6, and this would be 12, so it would be 126. Frequency times x, 47 times 10, 470. 52 times 3, it would be 156. Then 57 times 4, it would be 228. We've done this part. Then we now have to add. So we add everything together in this column. If you add everything together in this column, you're going to get 908. So summation of frequency times x, it's 980, divided by summation of frequency, which is 20. So it would be like saying divided by 98, and the mean mark would be 49.
49.
So just follow this formula here. It's telling you you have to have the middle value x, which you get by adding and dividing by 2, which is this part here. Then you get your frequency column, which is this 3, 10, 3, 4. You add them together. Then you multiply the middle value by the x, 42 times that, 42 times 10. You add them together. Then at the end of the day, you just divide.
Down, I'm done.
Anyway, you're going to watch the video. Okay, so on the x or y plane, we have to plot these points here. So I hope you know how to plot points.
Yes, I do.
Okay, the first
Very
one
much.
is okay.
1,
plot.
-2.
Okay, all right.
Which
I
is-
think we'll plot them in red so that it looks clear. So
which will start
points.
from the x.
So 1 is here, -2 is here. So it's this point here, right? So that's
Yes,
P,
we start with the
x, comma y. So 6, comma -2, it's here, right?
Yes.
Then R 6, comma 1, it's here. Then S is 1, comma 1, it's there. Then what are they saying? We join them to make a quadrilateral.
It's a quadrilateral.
Then what are they saying? We plot this line here. So to plot this line here, y is equals to 3. This is in the positive y-axis. So where there is 3, you just cut it here. So this is the line y is equals to 3. Then you're done.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
5 marks, Nadia.
Yeah, this was 3 marks. So this one here, it's a computer code for area, given that height and triangle base. So we're entering height and base, right?
Yes.
So height, comma base, where the computer has to read this formula here, which is area is equals to half base times height. So half base times height. And at the end of the day, we're displaying area, right?
Yes.
And we're stopping. So it ends there.
We should get area.
Yeah.
We stop.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad. Very simple. Surprisingly simple.
Surprisingly, yes. So the table shows a frequency distribution obtained by grade 9 learners in a particular secondary school. What is the mode? What is the mode here?
Not appears the most.
So it appears the most, but you can also say has the highest frequency. Because for this one, it's grouped data. So you can't say it's appearing the most because you don't know the intervals. You haven't been given a list of numbers to say 2 here, 2 is the mod, because you can visibly see that it's appearing the most. But the other definition for mod is the value with the highest frequency. So which one has the highest frequency here?
20.
Exactly. So the mod is 20. So we move on. So using the information in the table, complete the frequency polygon. So this interval is at 5. 11 to 20 is at 15. You can see it here. So 21 to 30 is at 20. So this one here is at 20. Then 31 to 40 is at 10. Then the other one is at 15. So 10 and 15. So this one is at 10. The other one is at 15. So it's just this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then illustrate the solution y on the XY plane by shading the unwanted region for this domain. So we first have to plot this. So we have to plot the line y is less than x plus 3. How would we plot this?
Y is less than x plus 3.
So we first need to identify it's a line. So this is a line, so we
Stop
have to
looking.
plot it. So to plot this line, we have to know where it's cutting the x-axis, and we also have to know where it's cutting the y-axis. So if you want to know where it's cutting the y-axis, you make x as 0 in here. So it would be y. There's my cursor. Okay. So it would be y less than x plus 3. So where there is x, we put 0. Y will be 3. So it's cutting the y-axis at 3. Then if you want to know where it's cutting the x-axis, we say y is equal to 0. So where there is y, you are going to put 0, x plus 3. The 3 will cross over, so it will be at negative 3.
Mm-hmm.
So it's cutting the graph at 3, comma, negative 3. So you draw a dotted line here, like that. Why am I drawing a dotted line? Because it's less than or equal to. It's less. So if it's less or greater than, it will be a dotted line. If it has an equal to sign, it will be a bold line. And if it's less than, you shade above. So you say la. If it's less than, you're shading above. If it's greater than, you're shading below. So it's less than, the unwanted region will be this side. And this is how you solve this paper.
You guys finished?
Yeah, we're done.
I also wanted to ask about how to mark the questions that you've answered on the beginning of the page. Since in the first section you have to answer everything, then
Yes.
section B you have to pick yes at the
Yes.
beginning of the page.
So you just tick. So the interval for section B is between 3 and 5, right? 3 and 8. So we tick the questions you have attempted. So maybe, yep, something like that. Yeah. But I'm sure you'll be oriented here. So if you have any other questions, I'll be available. You can ask and you can just send pictures.
Oh, okay.
But send me a picture for construction so that I just see that you are able to answer.
Okay,
Here's
let me
that
see.
question. This one here, just send me a picture so that I can see. And then, your phone's working. Are you able to access Google Drive?
Google Drive.
Hmm.
Yes, I am.
Because I want to
But
send the recordings via Google Drive. Your phone battery?
the phone battery is at 18% here.
I can still use your father's phone.
Yes.
Okay,
But
you
watching
should.
it is going to be a bit difficult.
Oh, okay. He's using it, huh?
To be using it, yes.
Oh, I see. Now, which phone can you use then? What about your
Let me
mother's
see.
phone?
That one, yes, I'm sure it can be available.
Okay, discuss, and then you should send me an email so that I can upload these recordings.
Okay.
All right, okay. Well, good luck tomorrow.
Yes, I will. Thank you
Okay,
very much, I mean.
welcome.